Yo, what's up, guys? How you doing, guys? Welcome to MVP Media, and today we're gonna talk about one of my favorite cars that can beat all the super sports car while you have your girlfriend and your dog in the car at the same time. Can you guys guess the car? I'll give you 2 seconds. Is that what you want? Is that your dream car, bro? No. Okay, like if you guys can have any, a daily driver that is a sports car that also have like, 300-ish, 400 horsepower, what would it?
8.
Nope. You want that shit though, don't you? I want that shit too. Today we're gonna talk about yours truly, Mercedes-Benz AMG C43 Coupe. I fucking love this car, and I'm gonna tell you why after I show you this clip. Check it out.
It's coming up!
Red, go, 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 go. We got the
Oh my god!
So what's up, guys? That was just a little clip of me enjoying and having a good time. Today, first of all, we're gonna go pick up my homegirl Karen at what's that mall called? Fortune Tower, bro?
Yeah, Fortune Tower.
My homegirl's, she's trying to get up, starting on vlogging, and so is I, so I figure I'd go help her out with all the lighting, all that stuff. Y'all check out his channel. I'll link the link down below. She's really cute. She's half Japanese. And then we're gonna go to Ben's Tongue Law. Little backstory is that I know Ben's Tongue Law really, really well. And I randomly met the owner one day, and I was just being me, talking about how slow Thai people work and how inefficient they are. Not that I don't like them, I do, but you guys gotta be more efficient. I'm just not ranting, I'm being real. And we were vibing on that, and I show her my work, and she's like, Mike, you need to see the new car. It's here. I'm like, what is this? She's like, oh, the C43 Benz. And then she calls her assistant, she's like, Chai, go get the Benz. And then she got the Benz. Mind you that like 2 days prior to this, I was just test driving it, and the list was 9 months. And then the owner of Ben's Tongue Law just go, here, Mike, take the key. It's yours. Take it home. Do whatever you want with it until you're satisfied. I'm like, what? So guys, I didn't get paid for that gig, but YouTubers dream of having a C43. Shit is real, man. Anyways, so the C43, it is my favorite car, and before I tell you why it's my favorite car, I got another B-roll of it. So check this out, and I'm gonna tell you exactly the reason why you all should get this car. Alright guys, Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG. Now the engine is not one engine, one man anymore, but who gives a fuck? Robots are more precise than man. C43, the new one, facelift, comes with 390 horsepower, 470 Newton-pound of torque, which is fucking amazing. You can go tune it at a place called BKK Auto Work, sold by this guy Andrew and Warren, a friend of mine, link down below. Bitch, I want a commission. You text me, you said you give me commission. So if anybody goes to BKK Auto Work from my clip, tell them that Mike MVP sent you so I can get my commission. I love you guys. But anyways, you can get a tune. I don't know the price. I don't want to say it wrong, but it's really reasonable. And it comes from, if I remember correctly, it goes from 390 to 430. That's stage one. And from 470 to 530 or 560 torque. So get that tune out. The price is so reasonable. Mercedes got this thing called MyStar. It's $4 million. 4.1, 4.2 million. But the greatest thing about it is Mercedes got a system called MyStar where you pay the mortgage for 6 years and you have like another chunk left, and then you can either resell it or not. It's a perfect daily driver. I think any car between late 300 horsepower to 400 horsepower is enough. You don't need any more. I mean, next time you see me in my Benz, please bring your Lambo on and I will whoop your ass and let you eat my dust. Shout out to you. Yeah, with the price and with, I think mom's cooking in the back. We'll film me at my house, guys. Yeah, so with the price and with the maintenance, the way the car handled, the interior, plus it's got Mercedes me in it. It's got two huge, I don't even know how many inch touchscreen on it with this little thing like a mouse pad. Picture in the back. I think it's worth the bang for the bucks, and you don't have to break an arm and a leg for it. Plus, you can pick up your girlfriend, your mom, your homeboy, and then load your grocery or take your dog for a walk or go to the beach with it. I will get into depth of it a little bit more later. For now, if you guys want to know how I filmed the Mercedes, I have an assistant for this one. How I edit the Mercedes, my color correction, my camera. Let me know. Comment down below, and I will be more than happy to try to answer all your questions. Thanks a lot, guys. For today, peace and love. Yay!